Okay, now we will discuss reasoning, 6th grand test, rated 6th grand test, number 5. There are 10 persons A, B, C, D, E, P, Q, R, S, T sitting in 2 rows such that A, B, C, D, E. So, regarding 2 rows, this is the puzzle. A, B, C, D, E are north facing. See how many persons? 5 persons north facing. Here 5 persons south facing. A, B, C, D, E are north facing. P, Q, R, S, T are south facing. B is sitting third to the right of D and one of them is at one extreme end. So, B is sitting third to the right of D and one of them is at extreme end, either B or D. P is the immediate neighbor of the one who faces B. One person is there between P and Q. So, P is the neighbor of the one who faces B. So, it can be like this, or see, it can be one more thing. Here D, this is B, this one is P. So, here only we will get P. Here no other possibility, only one possibility will come for P. Next, only one person is there between P and R. There is only one person between P and R. The one who faces R is the immediate neighbor of A. The one who faces R is the neighbor of A. The one who faces R is the immediate neighbor of A. So, either A here or here. There is only one person between A and S. Now, E is to the immediate left of B. One person sit between the one who faces A and S. So, here we will get S. One person sit between A and the one who faces S. So, here S. Now, C faces Q. C faces Q will not come here. C faces Q will not come here. Here C faces Q. Here we will get E. Now, this one left T. So, this is the correct arrangement. Now, answer the given questions. First one. Who is facing P? The answer is E. 4 of the following 5 are alike in certain way and hence form the group. So, R is in the corner, D is in the corner, Q and C. So, T is not in the corner. Which is true, which is not true regarding P? 2 persons sit to the right side of P, correct. Q is sitting second to the left of P, correct. P faces the one who is the immediate neighbor of B, correct. D is the immediate neighbor of the one who faces P. D is an immediate neighbor. So, this is definitely wrong. What is the position of C with respect to A? Third to the right. What is the position of T with respect to S? Second to the right. Next question. So, let us see the next question. D greater than or equal to K, K less than H, H equal to O, N greater than J, J greater than or equal to H, P greater than or equal to K, K less than Y. First one, N greater than K. Now, you see here N greater than J, J greater than or equal to H, K less than H means H greater than K. Therefore, N greater than K definitely follows. Second one, P less than D. So, P greater than or equal to K, K less than or equal to D. Therefore, P less than D does not follow. So, first one only definitely follows. Next question. U greater than B, B is equal to G, G greater than or equal to S, S greater than or equal to L, X less than B, B less than or equal to K, K less than J. First one, U greater than J, U greater than B, B less than or equal to K, K less than J. First one does not follow. K greater than or equal to L. So K greater than or equal to B, B is equal to G, G greater than or equal to S, S greater than or equal to L. Second one definitely follows. Next question. Question number 8. E greater than V, V greater than or equal to D, D less than or equal to J, V greater than or equal to R, R greater than or equal to S, S greater than F. First one, E greater than V, V greater than or equal to R greater than or equal to S, S equal to F. Therefore, E greater than F definitely follows. J greater than or equal to S. So, here J, D less than or equal to J means J greater than or equal to D. And again D less than or equal to V, V greater than or equal to R greater than or equal to S. Therefore, J to S no common symbol, the second one does not follow. Next question, ninth one, X greater than or equal to D, D is equal to E, E greater than K, and X equal to B, X equal B less than or equal to S, S less than C. First one, X regarding X. X greater than or equal to D, X greater than or equal to D is there, C less than K is the first one, C less than K. So, let us see whether C less than or equal to K. First, K less than E. So, K, E greater than K means K less than E, E is equal to D, D less than or equal to X, X equal to B, B less than or equal to S, S greater than or equal to C, no common symbol between K and C. D less than or equal to S, D less than or equal to S. Let us see whether D less than or equal to S follows or does not follow. See here, X equal to B, B less than or equal to S. Therefore, S greater than or equal to B, B equal to X, X greater than or equal to D. So, S greater than or equal to D or D less than or equal to S definitely follows. Next one, N greater than T, N greater than or equal to G, G greater than H, H greater than or equal to T, N greater than T definitely follows. M greater than H, H greater than or equal to I, therefore, M greater than I definitely follows. Both 1 and 2 definitely follows. Next question 11 to 15, this is related to the circle. So, all of you, this is a 8%. So, all of you draw 2 circles, divide into 8 parts. Some are facing inside, some are facing outside. K is sitting second to the left of M. 2 persons are there between K and L who is not the neighbor of M. N is sitting second to the right of R, but none of them is the immediate neighbor of K. Both M and N, they face opposite direction but opposite to K, opposite to R. Q sits second to the left of O and O faces outside the center. Q sits opposite to P and P faces opposite direction to each other. U faces the same direction as R. K faces opposite direction of L. L is sitting third to the right of K. L does not face outside the center. Both the neighbors of K face opposite direction to each other. First one, write down M. In first case, I am taking towards the center. Second case, outside the center. K is sitting second to the left of M. Here K is sitting second to the left of M. 2 persons are there between K and L is not the neighbor of M. So, this is only L, and here also this is only L. Then regarding L, L does not face outside the center. So, L is facing towards the center. L is facing towards the center. L is sitting third to the right of K. So, L is sitting third to the right of K. So, K facing outside. So, here K facing inside. Then both the neighbors of K, they face outside the center. N is sitting second to the right of R, but none of them is the neighbor of K. Either N or K or N, either R or N, they are not the neighbors of K. So, you can write R here or R here, N here. Then N is sitting second to the right side of R. N is sitting second to the right side of R. N is sitting second to the right side of R. Q sits opposite to P. So, here only we will get Q and P. Here we will get Q and P. So, here we won't get N and R. So, here we may get R. Here you may get R. N is sitting second to the right of R. So R minus R right second N. Now P is opposite to Q. So here we will get P and Q. So if I write R here, N is sitting to the right side of R. Here you will get N. N is sitting to the right side of R. But none of them is the neighbor of K. Then both M and N, they are opposite to R. Both M and N, they should be opposite to R, but here M and R, they are facing the same direction. So this is definitely wrong. Q is sitting second to the left of O, and O faces outside means Q is sitting second to the right of O, and Q is opposite to P. Both face opposite direction. Immediate neighbors of K, they are facing opposite direction. So here 1 minus 1 plus, so this also will be minus. Now let us answer the given questions. Okay, let us answer. Who is to the immediate right of Q? Immediate right of Q, M. How many persons are there between P and M when you count in the clockwise direction with respect to M? 2 persons. Clockwise means always right side. Who is opposite to N? That is K. If M is related to O, immediate left. N is related to N, L. R is related to which person? It is P. Then who is sitting opposite to the one who is sitting second to the right of Q? Second to the right of Q, O. O opposite the person is L. Next one. In a certain code language, cry, enjoy, laugh, show, free, enjoy, kite, bird. Now, again, coding decoding means you have to see the first two sentences. Here we are having enjoy, here also we are having enjoy. And here we are having which code? YONO, CO. So enjoy code is CO. Then cry, laugh, show. So cry we don't have anywhere. Laugh, you can see the word laugh in first and fourth. So laugh is there in first and fourth. In first and fourth we are having YO. So laugh means YO. Then show, first to third we are having show. First to third we are having PO. So show means PO. Now we are having one word, that is cry. The code is NO. Free, enjoy, kite, bird. Enjoy already over. Free not over. Free, kite, bird. So free we can see in first and third. In first and third we can see the word free. In first and third we can see JO. So first and third we can see JO. Free means JO. Then kite, bird. So in second and third we can see kite. In second and third we can see RO. Kite means RO. Then bird means SO. Now come to the third sentence. Cry show is kite show is high. Kite means RO. Kite means RO. Show means PO. Is high. Now is and high. If you see third one and last one, we can see both is and high. We can see both is and high. It can be BO or TO. BO or TO. Now come to the next one. Laugh. Already laugh means YO. Free, JO. Think, fly. So here we are having fly, here we are having fly. In both we are having DO, do. So fly means do. Fly means do. Then we are left with think. Think means the code is QO. Come to the last sentence. Fly is high. Already fly over, is over and high over. Nothing words left. So these are the codes. Now answer the given question. Let us answer the first one. What is the code for bird? That is SO. What is the code for think? Think means QO. Enjoy means CO. Bird means SO. So SO, QO, CO. Second option is the correct answer. What is the code for free? Means JO. What is the code for cry? NO. Then high talent can be high is talent. Both high is there, E is there. So BOTO. Talent is a new word. Along with BOTO, new word should be there. So that is MO, option 1. Next one, 21 to 25. We are having 8 boxes that are placed one above the other. Only 2 boxes are there between U and X. So 8 boxes are there. Serial number, then box. So let us try in 2 possibility, 1 to 8. Eight boxes are there. Now, only 2 boxes are there between U and X. 2 boxes are there between U and X. 1 box is there between U and F. There is only 1 box between U and F. Or you can try like this also. Then, not more than 1 box is there between F and Y. So, F and Y there will be just 1 box, maximum 1 box between F and Y. H is placed below Y. H is placed below Y. G is placed immediately above V. Now G is placed immediately above V. We can take like this, G and V. Then here we don't know where we can take G and V. Z is placed neither at the top nor above Y. So Z is below Y only. Now let us try both. So first case we are getting F, then Y, then we are having U, then G and V, this possibility. U, X, this is X. Z is not, there are 3 boxes between G and Z. So between G and Z, how many boxes are there? 3 boxes are there. This is Z. Then X is not placed at the bottom. Now we are having only one alphabet, that is which one we are having? F, G, H. So here we are having H. H is placed below Y. Now come to the second possibility. Let us try second also. You will be having U, F, X, then only 2 boxes are there between U and X. Not more than 1 box is there between X and Y. This is Y. X is not placed at the bottom. X is not placed at the bottom. G is placed immediately above V. G is placed immediately above V. H is placed below Y. Z is not placed at the top of box Y. So definitely you should place Z, which is definitely wrong. This is only correct. Now answer the given questions. Which is kept at the top, F, which is kept immediately above H, X. How many boxes are there between G and Y? 1 box. How many boxes are there below V? 3 boxes. Which is kept immediately below Y? Immediately below Y, that is U. Next question. There are 8 persons, they are going on different dates, that is 11th and 28th. So, and given month September, November, October, November, December. So there are months, then 2 dates are there. One is 11th, one is 28th. Okay, now let us start. So September, the days 30, October 31, November 30, December also 31. Let us start. T goes in the month having 30 days before U. So T is going in the month before, in the month having 30 days before U. Next, three persons are there between R and V. Three persons are going in between R and V. W goes immediately before R but in the same month. W goes immediately before R in the same month. Three persons are there between R and V. More than three persons are there between X and Y. X goes before Y. Now let us start from here. X. 1, 2, 3. So more than 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you will get Y. More than 3 means you can take 4. Now W goes immediately before R in the same month. W goes immediately before R in the same month. R we can take like this also. More than 3 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we will take Y. Like that also we may take. Then three persons are there between R and V. Exactly three persons. 1, 2, 3. Here we will get V. So W and R same month. 1, 2, 3. Here we will get V. This is only V. Then more than one person is there between S and Y. One person is going between S and U. Both goes on odd date. So there is one person between S and U. More than one person is there between and both goes on odd date means 11th only. S and U. Here only correct. But here if I write yes, U also should come on odd date, but here we won't get. So this is definitely wrong. We are left with T. So this is the total puzzle. Now answer the questions. First question. Let us see the first question. Who is going on 11th of November? So 11th November the person is U. Who is going immediately before T? X. How many persons are there between V and W? 1, 2 person. Only 2 persons. See 1 and 2. 2 persons are there. S is going in which month? October. Which of the following pairs goes on the same month? SY, XV, UV or TY or UY. UY is the correct answer. Let us see the next one, 31 question. 7 persons are there in the classroom, they are getting different marks. Who is getting the lowest marks? So all of you write down the numbers from 1 to 7. We should identify the lowest marks. S got more than J but less than O. Y got more than R but did not get the highest. So Y is not the highest. So Y number 1 it will not come. So with this we don't get any information. Next one, J does not get the lowest. So J does not get the lowest. P got more than A. Who got more than O? So after PAO you should write OSJ. After PAO you will write S and J. Then Y is getting more marks than R but did not get the highest. So by combining these two we can say R is the lowest marks. R is the lowest. We are getting the answer by combining 1 and 2. Next question 32. There are 5 persons living in a building. So 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Two persons are there between R and T. Two persons are there between R and T. One person is there between T and U. So here we got 6 persons. This is wrong. This is only correct. Or we may write like this. Then one person between T and U. So this might be correct. T is not top floor. T will not come at top floor. So T definitely comes on 4th floor. Take 2 gap R. Here we will get U. Here we will get U. Now who is living in between R and V? We don't know any information about V. T lives above R. One person is there between S and V. One person lives in between S and V. V lives above you. Now how many persons are there between R and V? Since you don't know the definite position of V, so by using 1 and 2 also no definite answer. Neither 1 not 2. Next 33 question. There are 6 persons sitting in 2 rows. There are 6 persons sitting in 2 rows. So this is the 2 rows. 6 persons are there. So here 3, here 3. ABS is sitting in row 1 facing north. DEF sitting in row 2 facing south. Who is to the immediate right of A? No one is to the immediate right of F. That means no one is to the immediate left of F. Then A is the one person is there between B and C. One person is there between B and C. So first case I am taking B and C here. I am combining both. No one is to the left of E. This is only E. Now here we will get D. A is the immediate neighbor of B. So we are getting this information by combining 1 and 2. By combining 1 and 2 only we are getting the correct answer. So both 1 and 2 are necessary to answer the question. 34th question. In a certain code, road is written as 7936, code is written as 2965, race can be written as, race means 7, 3, 2 and 5. 7325 is the correct answer. Next one. How many words are appear in the word bright, B-R-I-G-H-T, when they are arranged in the alphabetical order? How many letters will remain same? So we have to arrange in the alphabetical order. First of all B, next G, next H, I, R, T. So how many will remain unchanged? B is remaining unchanged, also T is remaining unchanged. So total 2 are remaining unchanged. So in the next class we will discuss the grand test number 6.